Today I'm going to cook a 3-in-1 meal. You have a large fish, chicken, rice, all in just 20 minutes. Today's menu is steamed herbal chicken, home-style steamed fish with low GI rice. So first, season the chicken with a bit of salt. Add some angelica root. Angelica root is good for blood circulation. Sprinkle some wolfberries, which benefits eyesight, and some shredded ginger. Next, I've prepared 300 grams of rice, which is washed, and 500 grams of fish. It can be a pomfret, it can be any kind of fish. Place a low stand in the varoma dish to prevent the steaming holes from being blocked. Place the chicken and fish on top on the varoma tray. Add 1,200 grams of water. Place the simmering basket into the mixing bowl. Close the lid. Stack on varoma into steaming position and cook for 20 minutes on varoma temperature speed 3. Now I'll take a shower while it's cooking. My dinner is ready. Fish, chicken, and rice. Wow, so soft and fluffy. After cooking rice, you see inside the mixing bowl there's white milky liquid. That is actually the starch. So this is the best way to eliminate starch from the rice. It's really good for those who are diabetic or those who want to have a slender figure. You can cook low GI rice with the Thermomix. Three-in-1 meals in just 20 minutes.